I will go.
Aniré.
Catalan future of to go. Welcome to the future of.
Anar.
This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll nail the Catalan future of to go with laughs and quick wins. Strap in. By the end you'll say, I will go, like a pro.
Aniré.
And guide your friends with, you will go.
Aniràs.
Or.
Anireu.
Ready? Let's go. Your goal today. You'll learn the core future forms in minutes, then use them in real talk. I will go.
Aniré.
You will go, singular.
Aniràs.
He will go.
Anirà.
She will go.
Ella anirà.
It will work.
Funcionarà.
Verb.
Funcionar.
Closing parenthesis. We will go.
Anirem.
You will go, plural.
Anireu.
They will go.
Aniran.
Call and response. Say it with me. Hear it, say it, own it, repeat after me out loud. Promise to yourself. I will go.
Aniré.
Cheer on a friend. You will go.
Aniràs.
Narrate plans. He will go.
Anirà.
Confirm hers. She will go.
Ella anirà.
Team vibe. We will go.
Anirem.
Group address. You, plural, will go.
Anireu.
Future crowd. They will go.
Aniran.
Mini dialogue at the station. Follow this funny micro scene and echo the Catalan lines. You, if the rain stops, I will go.
Aniré.
Friend, cool, you will go with us, right?
Aniràs.
AMB knows altres, oi? You, yep, and he will go too, L.
Anirà.
També. Friend, great, and she will go by train.
Ella anirà.
AMB tren. You, perfect, we will go early.
Anirem.
D'hora. Guide, to the group, at 9, you will go to the museum, a les no.
Anireu.
Al museu. You, watching the crowd, they will go after lunch.
Aniran.
Després de dinar. Tech check. Will it work? Sometimes, go, means, function, here's your toolbox phrase. Don't worry, it will work.
Funcionarà.
If we restart it, it will work, see el reinicium.
Funcionarà.
Right now it doesn't work, tomorrow it should work, ara no.
Funciona.
Dima horia de.
Funciona.
Culture tip. Planning in Catalonia. Use future forms to lock in your travel vibe. Picture Barcelona. Tomorrow morning, I will go to the Sagrada Familia, Dima al Mati.
Aniré.
A la Sagrada Familia. With friends? We will go for tapas.
Anirem.
De tapes. Talking to your group. You will go up the hill by funicular.
Anireu.
AMB funicular. Nice and simple. Lightning quiz. Answer fast. Say the Catalan after the pause. Q1. Translate, they will go. A.
Aniran.
Q2. Translate, you will go, singular. A.
Aniràs.
Q3. Translate, he will go. A.
Anirà.
Q4. Translate, we will go. A.
Anirem.
Q5. Translate, it will work. A.
Funcionarà.
30-second challenge. Create 3 future sentences about your plans. 1. Say where you will go tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will go. Dima.
Aniré.
2. Invite a friend and confirm they will go. At 6, you will go with me. A les 6.
Aniràs.
AMBMI. 3. Make a group plan. On Saturday, we will go to the beach. You, plural, will go by bus. Dissiped.
Anirem.
A la platja.
Anireu.
En autobus. Bonus. They will go after lunch. I hope the app will work.
Aniran.
Despre de dinar, espero que l'app.
Funcionarà.
Wrap up and good vibes. Nice work, future you is fluent you. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Aniré. Aniràs. Anirà. Ella anirà. Anirem. Anireu. Aniran.
And the super handy.
Funciona.
/
Funcionarà.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, tips, and practice. You've got this, tomorrow you will go far.